Okay, it's all cut out, and we're going to discard everything that we cut off of it except for this one piece that has the switch on it. You want to cut that out as well. Okay, we got our switch, got this. Now I'm going to fold, and I'm only going to fold on the dotted lines. I'm going to fold inward, going to fold it inward so the outside's got the candle on it. Now we are going to put this strip tape on it, the conductive tape. I'm going to start right here on the inside. And it's going to go right beside the line. Not on top of it, right beside it, to match up on the inside. And then you can wrap it right on the inside here. Need a little bit more tape, just down to where the battery will go. On where the battery will go. Okay. Now we're going to go back to this spot where the switch is at, and we're going to lift that off. Lift that up like that. And then we find our side switch. It's gonna go on here, like this. It's gonna go on here just like this. You're gonna put the back side on the outside, and the front side where it says the arrow, you're going to put that on the inside. You have to wrap just enough tape around the front. And then you can finish the strip on the outside. So you have to have just this little bit of gap here, but then when you fold the switch down, it's what's going to turn it on. And the only reason why you want that gap is so that way you're the one who turns the light on and off, and it doesn't just come on and off whenever it wants, so it doesn't just stay on all the time. So we got that done, and I could have done it a little better, but now we're going to clip a battery here. So I'm going to get my battery. And when you guys do it, your tape will already be cut for you, so it'll be easier. Mine's on the spool thing, so it's a little harder. So you're going to want to find the plus symbol on your battery and put it down flat onto the cardstock. Then fold this over, and then you're going to take the binder clip that should come with your kit, and you're going to open it up. And then binder clip it down. Okay, now we've almost got all of our candle made. The only thing that's left is we need to seal it up. So we're going to fold this in here, just like this. Just like that. And then we just have to glue it together. And what you're gonna do is, you're gonna glue this bottom piece here, this small flappy piece here. Put some hot glue or whatever glue you're gonna use there. And we can set it right up against here. And just hold it long enough for it to dry. Once that's dried, we have to do the other side. And I like to do it 2 at 1 so it's all done at once. Put some there, drop the glue gun, put some here. And then seal her up. And you guys can use whatever glue you have at home or any glue that you can afford or whatever kind of glue you want. I have just found out myself that the hot glue works the best at sealing it up properly. So now I'm just going to seal up the top and then close the hatch. Okay, now you're probably thinking, okay, she's showed us it all, it's put together, but where's my light? After you get it out, you're going to open the legs, and then you're going to lift up, you're going to scratch up some of this tape, and it's only to open it. You're not going to remove any of it, you're just going to scratch open the tape just to open it, that's all, because you're going to put the light on the inside of the tape. So lift up both hatches if you can. So you tape down your light. Oh, there he goes. For some reason my conductive tape is acting funny, but you guys should have extra too because I measured extra. But that's okay, we're gonna fix it. There we go. See? Off, on, off, on. I don't know why that last tape probably got too sticky on my fingers or something. It wasn't working, but yours should work just fine. And I do believe that these labels are flip-flopped for some reason. This is actually where the short leg goes, and this is actually where the long leg goes. But that's okay. However you can get yours to light up. You will also get one of these really cool flame printouts, so you can fold him up just perfect. You gotta make it kind of like a square at the bottom, like that. And then you can glue it closed. You can put a little glue at the bottom, just a dab. Okay, and slide that right over your light. And then you have light.